all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them.
iQOO 12 Pro just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, new Samsung AMOLED display, flagship processor, independent display chip, flagship camera sensor, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and detailed review of the iQOO 12 Pro, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The iQOO 12 Pro arrives in a black colored box featuring BMW Motorsports branding on the top. Removing the plastic wrap and opening the lid, you will find a phone. Let's put aside for the moment. While you explore the rest of the box content, inside there is a high quality black case, and you will also discover a 120-watt power adapter that supports PD charging with a Type-C output. In addition to the accessories, the box also includes a Type-C to Type-C cable, allowing you to charge the supported laptops. Now moving on the design of the iQOO 12 Pro, it's available in 3 colors: white, red and black. The black version, resembling more of a grey shade, it referred to as a track version in China, offers recognized as the AG glass process variant. It offers a nice tactile feel and minimizes the visibility of the fingerprint on the surface. The back of the phone creates a reflective play of the lights, giving it a stargazing-like pattern. Visible under the various lighting conditions, the effect is due to the design called Ideal Window, as named by iQOO. While it may seem like a simple design, it's actually quite intricate. The camera modules stand out, comprising multiple layers. The first layer integrates a micro arc design, followed by the textured border on the second layer. On the top of this texture, there is a protective ring encasing the camera module's glass. This layering creates a unique and visually captivating looks. Until now, this design on the iQOO phone stands as their most advanced design, exuding a premium appeal. The phone featuring rounded and curved left and right side on both the rear and the front panel, providing a comfortable in-hand feel. It's 8.58 mm thick and weighs around 210 grams, feeling rounded and not overly heavy. The frame's bottom part showcasing a concave finish, while the top of the phone appears flat, housing the speaker and secondary noise cancellation mic. In the iQOO 12 Pro, the display is curved screen that incorporates the Samsung's newly used one-phase material, offering an AMOLED display with 2K resolution. It boasts a refresh rate of 144 Hz, providing a smooth viewing experience. The maximum brightness level reaches 1600 nits with a peak brightness of 3000 nits, delivering incredible brightest ranges. Additionally, it includes a high-frequency PWM dimming feature at 1440 Hz, making the display truly flagship grade. Indeed, the display features slim left and right bezels, but the top and bottom bezels are slightly larger, suggesting the room for improvement in that area. For security, the phone incorporates the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that swiftly unlocks the device. In terms of performance, the iQOO 12 Pro stands out with the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, making it the second phone globally to possess this incredibly powerful processor in the Android camp. The Xiaomi 14 is the first series to utilize the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and I have already uploaded the unboxing and detailed video with the link in the description below. iQOO 12 Pro comes with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. It's equipped with the Q1 chip dedicated to the gaming, enhancing the gaming experience significantly. For instance, in the Engine Impact, the game tool on the left side allows users to optimize and improve their gaming experience, making it more immersive and efficient. You can play Engine Impact at 144 Hz and even game at 1440p resolution, evident in the in-game screenshot that display a clear and original quality. Additionally, several games supported the feature of ray tracing, enhancing the gaming experience further. This time the iQOO can be held as the gaming master. And they have notably improved the lower speaker on the phone. Even after playing Honor of King for the half an hour, there is no noticeable heat buildup on the device. Talking about the temperature, after playing the Genshin Impact for 30 minutes, the temperature only reaches up to 40 degrees, showcasing the exceptional performance of the iQOO 12 Pro. Now addressing the camera aspect, there is a remarkable improvements in the camera setup. The phone features a rear-facing triple camera setup, including the 50 megapixel primary camera and the secondary 64 megapixel periscope camera. The setup includes the 3x optical zoom and supports 100x digital zoom, alongside a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. You can view the sample photos showcasing excellent colors, textures, and enhancing the capture capabilities.
To me, I know most are festering negativity. It's a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cash, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic.
For selfie, there is a 16 megapixel front camera supporting EIS, ensuring a good selfie experience. The iQOO 12 Pro's front camera allows the recording only up to Full HD video at 30 fps. When it comes to the battery, it boasts a 5100 in battery capacity. Charging options including the support of 120 watt wired charging, 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. Unlike the previous 200 watt support, the wired charging has been reduced to 120 watt, enabling a remarkable 0 to 51% charge in just 10 minutes. In terms of pricing, the iQOO 12 Pro starts 4,999 China yuan for the 16GB RAM and 256GB storage variant, roughly around 642 euros and 686 US dollars. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb design, an outstanding display featuring the brightest display ever, and incredible gaming performance. The iQOO 12 Pro is set to launch in UK soon. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friend. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is all